So, the award goes to
Sophie Grabel.
Et j'aimerais inviter Piv Bunt, s'il vous plaît, à venir nous rejoindre.
I am Piv Bunt. I'm the producer of the Killing Trilogy. And Monseigneur, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Sophie, who couldn't be here today, I thank you all very much for this award. And Sophie asked me if she got the prize, I should say that the work with The Killing for 7 years has been an amazing journey. And to get this honorable prize in the end of the 7 years is something very special to her. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Piv. Robin and Piv, if you could go to the wings for a photo.